All living things are made of cells. Let's explore what that really means. Hello, I am Georgia from Mentivia. Welcome to our journey into the fundamental principles of biology. Today, we're diving deep into the first tenet of the cell theory, a cornerstone of our understanding of life itself. This principle states that all living things, from the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, are composed of one or more cells. Our story begins in 1665 with the English scientist Robert Hooke. Using a primitive microscope he designed, Hooke observed thin slices of cork. What he saw were tiny, box-like compartments, which reminded him of the small rooms, or cells, in a monastery. This marked the very first recorded use of the term cell in a biological context, even though he was looking at dead plant cells. Just a few years later, in 1674, a Dutch draper and amateur scientist named Anton van Leeuwenhoek took microscopy to a new level. He crafted his own powerful microscopes, far superior to Hooke's. With these, Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe and describe living single-celled organisms from pond water, blood, and other sources, which he famously called animalcules. His detailed observations provided the first undeniable evidence of microscopic life and living cells in action. These early discoveries were groundbreaking, revealing a hidden world of life previously unimaginable. However, for many years, these remained isolated observations. Scientists knew cells existed, but the idea that all life was composed of them, and what that truly meant, was yet to be fully articulated. Fast forward to the 19th century. In 1838, German botanist Matthias Schleiden extensively studied plant tissues. After countless observations, he concluded that all plants, without exception, are composed of cells. This was a monumental step, suggesting a universal building block for the entire plant kingdom. The very next year, in 1839, Schleiden's colleague, German physiologist Theodor Schwann, extended this revolutionary idea to the animal kingdom. After meticulously comparing animal tissues with plant tissues, Schwann concluded that all animals are also composed of cells. This pivotal conclusion, combined with Schleiden's work, laid the foundation for the first two tenets of the cell theory. The combined insights of Schleiden and Schwann were transformative. They showed that despite the vast differences between plants and animals, they shared a common fundamental unit of life, the cell. This was the birth of the first tenet of cell theory, establishing the cell as the universal building block for all known life forms. The first tenet of cell theory, that all living organisms are composed of one or more cells, is truly foundational to modern biology. It means that life, at its most basic level, is cellular. This principle has profound implications, from understanding how organisms grow and develop to studying diseases and developing new medical treatments. Whether it's a single-celled amoeba or a complex human being, the cell is the irreducible unit of life. Every function, every process, every characteristic of a living organism ultimately stems from the activities and interactions of its cells. This simple yet profound statement unified the study of biology, providing a common foundation for understanding the incredible diversity of life on Earth. It's a testament to the power of scientific observation and the collaborative pursuit of knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out mentivia.com for more educational content. There you'll find completely free e-learnings, videos, and articles designed to deepen your understanding across a wide range of topics. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more coming your way.